Guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to make Google as default search engine in Chrome and Microsoft Edge browser in Windows PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, first I will show you in Google Chrome how to set the Google as a default search engine. You need to open your Google Chrome. You can see here by default Bing is the search engine in Google Chrome. So I will show you how to change this. You can see here top right side 3 dot. Click on this. Below you will find here setting option. Click on setting. Guys, in left section you can see here search engine. Click on this. You can see here search engine used in address bar. By default it is selected as Bing. Click on drop down, select Google. I will show you, it will open in Google. Guys, you can see here now the default search engine has been changed to Google. Whatever you will search, it will open by Google. Guys, now I will show you how to set Google search engine in Microsoft Edge browser. You need to open your Edge browser. Click on top right side 3 dot. You can see here setting option. Just click on this. In left section you can see here start home and new tabs. Guys, in left section you can see here start home and new tab. Click on this. You can see here open this. You have to select this option. Here you need to type www.google.com. click on add. You can see google.com has been added. I will close this window. Again I will open the Microsoft Edge browser to check whether it is working or not. Guys, you can see the Google search engine has been set as default. That's it guys. So in this way you can make Google as default search engine in Chrome and Microsoft Edge browser in Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.